here. As you can see, we're standing right in front of the project site, and we just completed what is called the Hub and Tack survey. The Hub and Tack survey is what marks the 4 corners of our building pad, as you can see with the orange markings here. It marks the 4 corners of the building pad and the actual elevation, the finished floor elevation. Now, the reason why I always tell people that the most important document in your construction project is your site plan is because this document, believe it or not, has everything that you need to know in order to complete your journey in construction. So this is kind of like the keys to the kingdom, where the treasure chest is, and the treasure chest is going to be the fully completed model, the fully completed home once it's finished. So the most important items that we want to consider right now are, there's a couple. So the first thing is, as you can see here, we have our finished floor elevation of 10.5 feet. That means that the height of the slab, where the tile is going to go, where the block is going to go, everything is going to be at 10.5 feet above sea level. Okay, everything in this market in Southwest Florida is measured above sea level, and so that is the number that you see here. FF stands for finished floor. Important to consider here, we have our benchmarks. Our benchmarks are what is used as a reference. The reference elevation is taken on the crown of the road. The surveyors come out, the survey crew, and they mark using certain points that they put in the road, certain nails and discs. They set them down and they take that elevation, and that is our reference point to be able to know how high we need to come up here. And so as you can see, we have a reference point on the right hand side of the property and on the left facing side of the property. Let me show you those. So on the right hand side of the property, here we are standing. We have the benchmark elevation denoted here in orange. This is 4.2 feet. And so this tells us that if we were to take a grade rod and we were to set it right here, this elevation is at 4.2 feet. So as you can imagine, if we need to come up 10.5 feet, we need to come up approximately 6 feet, 6.5 feet in order to get to our finished floor elevation. So this is the starting point. In addition to that, our survey crew also comes out and marks the left and right hand corners of the lot. And this is important because you want to know where you begin and where you end, where your lot begins and where you end. Our lot begins here. As you can see, it goes back through the pink flag, which was just put down. And this is essentially the right hand line of the lot. And so if you can imagine, the right hand line of the lot will be here, and the house will begin somewhere over here behind the porta potty where those orange flags are.